How to fix white balance inside Davinci Resolve. Onto my timeline, I'm having two footages which I'm going to use for our example. And let's jump into the first one in the color tab from here. Your first step is to enable the color wheel from here. After selecting it, you will about to see these wheels and you're gonna use this offset wheel right here. Next up, you wanna go to the right side and you wanna click on here. And after that, next to the waveform, you should go to the drop down menu and select vector scope. This circle right here is a vector scope which is displaying your colors as a circle. The surroundings of this circle is representing all the offset colors that you're seeing on the outside of it. And in the middle center it represents the clean white. So in order to achieve a white balance, you need to redirect all the colors that you're seeing on this circle, which is mostly blue and a little bit on the green on the left. You need to make them centered in the center, which is the white. And how you can move them is by going into the offset and move the dot, which in default position is in the center of the offset wheel. As you move it, you will notice that footage that you have actually selected is changing color based on the direction that you're moving into. And if you want to achieve white balance, you need to redirect all these spots that you're seeing on the scopes on the right side closest to the middle as possible. As I move my offset upside, now I moved all of the scopes upside close to the center. You can click on here in order to increase the size of your spot in case it is too small and it is hard to navigate. Now my spot in the circle is more visible and I can navigate the offset again. As you can see, you can just move the center of this spot on the scope closest to the center. Let's try again with the second footage that I'm having. This is the second one, and as you can see, it is more on the bluish side, something like turquoise. So now I just need to move that spot closest to the middle, and I'm going again on the offset right here, and I'm moving it to upside so I can make this spot on the scope closest to the middle side. In my case, I'm moving it upwards and a little bit to the left to the red area so I can make it clean white and adjust some white balance. I hope it was helpful and I helped you understand how the vector scope is working and how to achieve white balance. You can also check out this video right here. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.